Home to beautiful beaches, serene lakes, and lagoons, the city of Carlsbad is an idyllic coastal community that we're fortunate to live and work in. To maintain our precious resources and quality of life, we need restaurants to help protect the environment and keep waste and other debris from spilling into our streets, entering our storm drain systems, and polluting our beaches and ocean. Restaurants and other food facilities generate fats, oils, and grease, commonly called fog. Fog enters our sewer system carried by wastewater from washing dishes and cleaning equipment and floors. As the grease cools, it hardens and coats the inside of our sewer pipes until the pipes are completely blocked. This blockage causes wastewater to overflow and spill from the sewer into the street. It can then flow into the storm drain system, sending raw sewage to our beaches and ocean. Fog can also directly enter our storm drain system if fog is spilled onto streets or washed off outside. To prevent this serious problem, your food facility is required to participate in the city's grease control program. The City of Carlsbad is providing these instructions to teach all owners, managers, and staff best management practices, or BMPs, to prevent grease buildup and spills. Let's get started. BMP number 1. Scrape and wipe. All food facility staff are required to scrape and wipe dishes, pots, and pans with a paper towel or spatula into a trash can. Grease is never allowed to wash into the sink or drain, and food goes into the trash. Food grinders are no longer allowed in the city of Carlsbad. BMP number 2. Receptacles. Your food establishment must have a designated grease receptacle or storage container for fog. Show your staff where it's located. Make sure the receptacle area is free of grease and clean after every spill. BMP number 3. Dry methods. Use dry methods such as absorbent material and a broom or disposable rag to dispose of fog spills. These items must be readily available at your facility. Never put grease in the sink. When spills happen, you must wipe up as much as possible before mopping. Do not put liquid waste into a dumpster. Make sure the bins are not leaking. BMP number 4. Clean screens. All food process areas, sinks, and drains must have screens covering them so that food does not cause interceptor maintenance problems and increase costs. Screens should be checked and cleaned regularly. BMP number 5. Mop sinks. Clean floor mats in a mop sink or other designated area and dump wastewater from mopping floors into a mop sink. Do not clean mats outside in an alley, parking lot, or street. The liquid grease and cleaning materials go right down the storm drain to the beach and ocean. BMP number 6. Clean hoods. Hoods and hood filters must be cleaned as frequently as necessary to keep them in good operating condition. Wipe them with a disposable rag before rinsing with water in the sink. BMP number 7. Report spills. Please report any large spills that are outside to your supervisor, environmental inspector, or the city's wastewater division so they can address it properly. BMP number 8. Keep records. You are required to keep your waste manifest and your sewer lateral maintenance records on site for at least 1 year. It should be readily accessible for inspector review. BMP number 9. Hang fog poster in food prep area. To keep BMPs fresh in employees' minds, a poster demonstrating these practices should be posted in all food prep areas. BMP number 10. Employee training and review. It is mandatory all new employees be trained on these practices, and existing employees should receive a refresher course twice a year to ensure they understand and demonstrate all best management practices. You are also required to keep training records on site. Fines can be issued for failure to follow all of these BMPs. Let's recap the fog BMPs we just covered. To report sewer backups or overflows, or request training materials, videos, and posters, contact the City of Carlsbad's Wastewater Division at 760-438-2722. Let's work together to keep our beaches and oceans clean.